Okay, so hello guys, welcome back. This is Viren Kumar. So in this video session of the Docker series, I am going to explain how we can create a Docker free account on the Windows machine. If you are working with a Docker and if you want to use the Docker and the Docker hub and Docker images, then you need a Docker account to use the Docker services. So let's create first the Docker account. So for that, I'm going to switch to the browser. Okay, on the browser, you can type the free account for Docker. Okay, then you can go to the sign up for the Docker hub. So it will click on that one. Okay, in browser, you can go to the www.docker.com. Okay, this is the home page of the Docker website. Okay, these are the products offered by the Docker developers, pricing, blog, about us, and the partners. And this is the develop faster and the run anywhere. Okay, from there we will create a Docker account. So now let's get started with the Docker. So you click on the get started button, and here it will ask to get started with the Docker. Okay, now Docker desktop version, Docker hub. Okay, so first we will create the Docker account for the Docker hub. So for that I'm going to click on the sign up button. Under the sign up buttons, it will ask you to username, email ID and the password to create an Docker account. So you can provide the username. Suppose we have the username called the Docker username 12. This is the Docker username 12 and I'm going to provide my email ID. This is a gmail.com. You can provide the email ID. Now you can provide the password. So after entering the password, you just click on this checkbox. So you can send me the occasional product updates. So if you want to select this one, you can select this one and you need to select the agreement. So all you can click on the agreement checkbox, and after that you need to provide that you are not a robot. For that you can click on this captcha, and now you can click on the sign up button. You can save the username and the password in your Google account. Okay, so now log into the Docker to continue to the Docker hub. So your Docker account is created by the simple steps. Now just log in. So I will select the Docker username 12. Now continue. And you can provide the password. So I will select the password and now you can continue with your Docker hub account. Okay, so now you have created the one Docker Hub account, and this is the first home screen for the Docker Hub. And please check your inbox to verify the email associated with this account. You won't be able to create a repository or configure your Docker Hub without verification of your email address. So for that, I will go to my email ID. Okay, in another browser and check your inbox that you got one mail from the Docker like this. So this is the Docker. Please confirm your email address. Okay, and you will get the mail from the Docker like that. And here is the username, Docker username 12, which we have created just now, and you can verify your email address. Once you verified your email address, you can log into your Docker Hub account with the username and the password. Okay, so we have already logged in to the Docker Hub username and the password. You can see this is the username and the password for the Docker Hub account. Now we are not seeing this message. Earlier that was saying for the email verifications. So this is the home screen of the Docker Hub. Okay, and this is the username is showing, and under the username you can see your profile, content, subscriptions, account setting, billing, and you can sign out. Yeah, and there are the plans that we can use for the practice or for the enterprises purpose. For the personal use, so include the Docker essentials, and it's ideal for the individual developers, education, open source communities, and small businesses. So $0. So this is the free account. This is the Docker desktop, unlimited public repository, Docker engine plus Kubernetes supported, limited image pulls per day. And per day you can pull limited images from the Docker Hub repository and unlimited scoped tokens. Okay. So you can continue with the free. That we will cover while we will install with the Docker on our Windows machine. And this is the Pro plan. And the Pro plan is the $5 per month. So everything in personal plus Docker desktop, unlimited private repositories, and 5,000 images pulls per day, 5 concurrent builds, and 300 vulnerability scans. Teams plan is the $9. So these are the services offered in this plan, and this is the business plan. Ideal for the medium and the large scale businesses who need the centralized management and advanced security capabilities. So big companies are acquiring this business plan, and this is $24 per user per month. Okay, so 1 month if you are using for a per user, it's a $24, only available with an annual subscriptions. So this is for the annual subscriptions, and this is whatever services is provided in the business plan is there. So when you, for the practice and the learning purpose, you can continue with this free account. Now welcome to the Docker and download the desktop applications, download for the Windows. So that we will cover in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.